Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3. We should potentially make an ABC of 4 before we head up back up for the wave 5. Heading down to the weekly time frame, this is where I had this labeled as an ABC correction. Technically, we're not at a Fibonacci retracement level of the last move down yet. And we have to keep in mind that this potentially could go up a lot more before it really does end up turning down. And we also have to keep in mind this is the weekly time frame, so there could potentially be months and months and months before this all plays out. Going down to the daily time frame, like I said, the trend is definitely still up. It probably is more likely that this will try to go up and make a new high, potentially grabbing these Fibonacci retracement levels. This is definitely the area I've been watching because of this drop-based drop, and the 138, 123 Fibonacci extension is definitely the area that I've been watching for potentially the end of this wave B, but we still technically haven't hit that area, and we definitely do not have a breaker structure showing us that this is complete yet. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, for me, my last structure level is way down here because that's where the last end of a correction is. So this could go down, which it probably is going to, take out this low and still be a correction to the uptrend. So until it actually breaks and holds below this structure, I'm still primarily only looking for buys in a uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like impulsive down, probably either an A or a 1. This is probably all corrective, probably either a B or a 2. And we probably are going to go down some more for either a C or a 3. If it is a C, then it will likely bounce off one of these fib levels and then continue the uptrend. If it's a 3, it could still bounce off a fib level, but it will not break structure. But instead, it'll probably just do something like this and just keep on going down. So like I said, if it does go down and break this structure, that's what's going to turn me into a seller overall. If it does not go down and break this structure, I'm keeping an eye on my Fibonacci retracement levels for more possible opportunities to go long because the trend is definitely still up on my higher roadmap timeframes. And even though it looks like it could possibly turn soon, it definitely doesn't have to. It could easily bounce off a fib level and just keep on trending up, which is why I will primarily continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.